So hi guys, today we are going to see how we can download the Chrome driver for browser version 128. So if you go to the official website, here you can see the available versions are 129 to 131, but 128 version is not mentioned anywhere here. So what you can do is just go to this link. I have provided this link in description box. Just go to this link and this will automatically download the driver for 128. If this link is not clickable, just copy this link and paste in new tab, and this will download the driver for 128. Okay, and I have tested this and this is working fine for me, and please let me know if this is working fine for you or not. Okay, and second solution is you can update your browser version. How you can update your browser version? Just click on these three dots, okay, then click on this help, then about Google Chrome, and this will automatically update your browser. Okay, in my case this is 129. In your case, if it is 128 or lower, then it will update to latest, and once updated, just relaunch your Chrome, and after that you can directly download the latest driver. I hope these two solutions work for you, and please let me know if you still have any queries in comment box, and also please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.